Thankfully, the weather is cooperating right now. We're going to turn things over to Amelia Siegel, who has a look at the forecast.
Yeah, and talking about that winter storm, Joe, there's pretty much a winter storm warning all the way from Georgia up into Massachusetts. Some portions of Massachusetts seeing a blizzard warning. Those go into effect really very early Sunday morning, and then as you head more northward, they'll last until Monday night. So some pretty tricky travel out there. Those areas that are under that blizzard warning expecting 1, maybe even close to 2 feet of snow. We're not talking about anything that bad here in western New York, just some scattered light snow showers tonight, tomorrow, and then throughout the day, possibly on Monday, but very light, little if any accumulation. And here you can see on forewarned Doppler, it is showing snow, but it's light right now and it's scattered. And again, that's really going to be the story through tonight and tomorrow. That's one of your weather headlines. Cold temperatures are going to remain across western New York. We have not been above freezing since December 12th. Now, once I show you the 7-day, that likely will change, but until it does, we're going to see the winds pick up tomorrow as well, and with that, a bitter wind chill out there. Currently, we're at 23, a wind chill of 13. Winds about 9 miles an hour, the barometer rising. Other current temperatures across the region, we're at 24 in the Falls, 25 in Dunkirk, 21 for those of you in Jamestown and Bradford. We're in for another bitter cold night, average high this time of year in the mid-30s, and again, we really haven't seen that since December 12th. So with Future Watch, what you want to look here, 8 a.m., you're waking up on Sunday morning. Some scattered light snow, very much like what we're seeing right now on forewarned Doppler. And then also look at this winter storm here starting to set up along the eastern seaboard throughout the daytime. By noon, here's that picture. We're looking at still some scattered light snow across western New York. And aside from that, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies and the winds increasing. Much of the same by 5 o'clock. It's going to get windy Sunday night on into Monday. And you can see as these lines get closer, those kind of indicate how strong that wind is going to be. But really, the light stuff near our end of western New York, the heavier stuff along eastern New York and on into Massachusetts as we head throughout the day on Monday. Any snow tapers off, and with that, we're likely going to see some sunshine throughout the day. If you're traveling tomorrow, here's your travel forecast. If you're heading to Erie, snow showers likely there, a high temperature of 28. New York looking at snow, a high of 34. Toronto, mostly cloudy skies with a high temperature of 27. Bills game tomorrow, chance of light snow for the game, but dress warmly because it's going to be breezy. Temperatures for the game in the mid-20s, a wind chill in the teens, maybe even a little bit lower at times. Here's your Weather Watch 4 forecast. For tonight, light snow at times, otherwise mainly overcast and chilly. Around an inch or less is possible, really not amounting to much over these next couple of days. Lows tonight between 15 and 20, a southern tier low of 12. As we look to tomorrow on your Sunday, scattered light snow and flurries likely. Again, little accumulation, if any, otherwise mostly cloudy, becoming windy as we head throughout the day. Highs tomorrow between 22 and 27. For tomorrow night, snow and flurries likely at times, otherwise mostly cloudy and brisk. Really not a lot of change in our weather here. Lows between 12 and 17 with a southern tier low of 10. Now, for Monday, chance of snow and flurries, just a chance, mainly in the morning, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy. It's still going to be blustery out there. High temperatures in the 20s, winds about 15 to 25 miles an hour. Now, as we look to the next 7 days, Tuesday we're at 30, partly sunny skies. Wednesday, partly sunny as well, a high finally above freezing of 33. Thursday, we're at 36, partly sunny. Friday, the chance of rain, but we're at a high of 38. And for New Year's Day, we're looking at the chance of rain showers and a high temperature of 42. Now, those temperatures could even go up a little bit from here, but it looks like the one for sure thing is by the middle part of this upcoming week, we're going to be above freezing. Until then, it's going to be kind of cloudy, some snow here and there, and chilly outside. But again, good for travelers in western New York because that snow really not amounting to much.
Yeah, it's quite a change, though. It's great.
Yeah, that warm-up, it's going to feel like a heat wave here.
Maybe it'll melt some of that snow that's still left over.
Will.
All right. Thanks, Amelia.